particular point in a graph, it also tells us what happens to a function as it gets closer and closer to a certain point. And limit, we write limits like this. It tells us what happens to function of x as it approaches to a. The variable a. This is just an example. So in calculus, we often encounter different types of limits. The terms undefined, indeterminate, and non-existent describe specific behaviors when approaching limits. Let's explore the different types. So we first, undefined limits. So undefined limits typically occur when the function tends towards positive or negative infinity. And the function doesn't settle at a point. For doing it without the graph, for example, f of x 1 over x and x approaches to 0. So anything with a denominator 0, it's non-existent. You guys should know this. And with graph, you can see here, look at this. So it's approaching this function and it approaches to 0, but it will never approach 0. It will get closer and closer, but it will never approach 0 and it will go towards infinity. For positive and negative, it will not touch 0. For example, 140. Let's see. Is it touching 0? No, it's not touching 0. So
يروح حصل عشان يجي هو
So the